Hi everyone, this is Carrie Preston and I'm coming to you from my backyard here in Jamaica Plain. I know this is a really strange time for all of us. We're practicing social distancing, we're working from home, we're schooling from home. We are, however, able to get outside a bit more, which is kind of nice, especially on a beautiful day like today. So while you're out, you might be looking around and thinking, wow, I really wish that I could have some pretty flowers or my window boxes would get done. And first thing I'm going to tell you is that we will be in on Monday, the 30th of March to start planting the window boxes and containers. So say goodbye to all those dead plants. Now I understand there are many of you who are probably feeling a little bit of spring fever and would love to do your own planting this year. So we've come up with an idea to help you with that. We are coming to deliver you a window box or container kit. So we will bring you the plants that we would traditionally be planting in your box. They will come with their tags and we'll put a little code on each one, and with that will be a little layout that will tell you where this plant should go into your planter or your window box. We're also going to make another YouTube video that will show you how to plant and again show you the layout of your window box. So this kit will come in a sanitized bulb crate and we'll deliver it to a secure area in your yard or in your courtyard or on your front step. When you're done planting and you don't need the bulb crate anymore, just call us and we'll come pick it up so we can sanitize it and bring it to somebody else. We'll also send along a little sample for your window box and containers of our Dr. Earth fertilizer that we love and is very good about growing these flowers. And yeah, that's really what it looks like. Ta-da! Window box. So if you like this idea and you're interested, please fill out the survey that's attached to this email. Also, if you know someone who is living in any of the Boston neighborhoods or Newton and Brookline, we are happy to deliver to them as well. So please forward this on. We look forward to seeing you, even if it's through the window. Stay safe and happy spring.